Hello and welcome. This is Abdul here with my video tutorial on how to manage the manager practice area components. How we can organize the course details and how we can schedule, how we can arrange these things on the course page. First of all, we have to go to manager practice area MPA. In order to reach there, we have to go to Moodle training. And here we will see one more link further below. So this is the manager practice area. And if you haven't got it, please you can get in touch with Dr. Nelly. She'll be assigning you the role of manager. Okay, let me click manager practice area. And when you click that manager practice area, you will reach this page. So this is the page you will be taken to. This is the manager practice area page. Good. So here, by default, all these things will be shown here. MM15 Manager Practice Area, the title, and this is the course topics, the course sections, what we call sections. So we can, just like we did in the teacher practice area, here too we can click the turn editing on icon. So we can switch it on and we can, let me click it. And when you click it on, all these components can be edited and you can arrange it in such a way that you like to show the course details on the page. So this is the course, this is on right now, editing button is on. You can see the red light, red color. And let's see what happens. Here we have section names, topic 1, topic 2. These are the default names. You can edit it. Let me click 1 minute. Let me click topic 1. Topic 1, the topic 1, and below you can see the edit button. You can click edit and we are going to edit section. You can just click edit section, and when you click edit section you find this. So this is the name they give it by default. You can customize it. Just click custom, and you click custom, this column will be empty, and now you can go ahead and fill the name of the section. If you want further clarification, you can visit the course page of Dr. Nelly, that is the one we are doing right now. We have these sections. We have overview, badges and certificates, live online class recordings, announcements, week 1, week 2, week 3, like that. All these things are arranged in such a fashion. We too can arrange our course titles like this. So this can be the overview page. So we can see overview and syllabus. We can give it overview and syllabus. Overview and syllabus. Okay, this is the name. So we can also give, and for example, if you go to Dr. Nelly's course page, if you click overview and syllabus link, you will find these details here. These are the details we find when you click overview and syllabus. And when you click badges and certificates, you will find another description below. This is the description we find when you click badges, and there are some links too available here. And if you click online record, let us click week 1 introduction. And if you click this page, this link, you'll find all these things. So this is the main course section, and when you click the section link, you'll be taken to the details of the course. So similarly, you too can give a description of the items you find. So overview and syllabus. In our course MM15, overview and syllabus has got a lot of text. These are the text. So we have the course overview, we have the items available on this course, some video links. These are the things we find. Okay, so we too can provide such details in this section. So I'm not going to do it right now. You can do it when you're going ahead with your task. So let me save this for the time being. So we have selected one section. Let me go to the next section, topic 2. So topic 2 is the name they gave it by default. We can edit it. So topic 2 can be edited. We'll have to turn editing on again. Okay, now let me edit it. So topic 2 is for badges and certificates. Now these are not hard and fast, there are no hard and fast rules. You can design your courses, you can design the sections the way you like. Nobody is going to dictate you to do anything. You can do it on as you like. So for the time being, we can follow Dr. Nelly's speech so that we won't get distracted. Badges and certificates. Badges and certificates. Okay. Again, here we can give a description of what kind of activities are done under this section. How will you provide them the certificates and what type of badges are you going to give them? These things can be described here. Okay. So let us save this and we can go to the next section. So this is I think not that much difficult for us. The thing is that we need to divide our course into sections and identify the name for each section. And for each section, we need to give a description to the items that we have to list out all the items we are going to provide under the section. So these are the things we have to note while you are doing with manage a practice area. So I'll show you something more. This is the way how we edit the course overview and all these things. Okay, the sections, editing the sections. Now let me click switch on edit the switch off the editing button. Okay, now you see we have two sections on this area. This one is the course section and this is the block. So we have one block on the right. This is the course area. Usually we also find blocks on the left and on the right. So we can arrange blocks on the left and on the right. So right now we have blocks here. We can arrange it on the left too. Okay. Now let's see how the blocks are arranged. I'll show you. If you click this, no, these are the blocks and you can see the block names. So we have activities block. We have the type of users, online users block. Activities block shows all the items available, maybe forums and all those things. So activities, lots of activities go on in different forums. So the forums under this section will be shown here. So we have the list of online users. This is another block, and these are the blocks. You can again turn the editing on. And when you turn the editing on button, you can create more blocks. So we have add block here. We have add block, we can add blocks, add menu, blog menus, blog tags. You can add cloaks. Let's see what happens when you add a blog menu. Let me click blog menu. So you can see this block is being added. So I have added one more block. This is the blog menu block. Okay. So there was this block was already there and I have added one more block. So if you want, you can delete it. We can delete the block. That too, we have to go to add block section. Let's see what happens. Next one, we can blog tags. We can add blog tags. Let's see what happens when you add blog tag. Blog tag. Okay, this is the blog tag, not blog tag, blog tags. And when you add a blog tag, you'll find the tags. Okay, you can see what happens. Now these are the things that we need later, not now. When we get used to these course designs and all these things, we will get familiar with these sections. I think we can go to some other familiar sections. We can add a clock. Okay, we have added a clock. We have added a clock. This is the calendar. It is a clock, I think. And yeah, this is the clock. Okay, this is the clock. Server time is there, and the time of the user, the area where the user belongs to. Maybe I will have to adjust it. Okay, this is the thing that happens. And if you want to do something here, maybe if you want to edit, maybe you want to do something about these blocks, delete the block tag block. We can delete it. If you don't want the clock tag, clock block, okay, we have to confirm it. Okay, we'll have to confirm. Okay, I have confirmed that block is deleted. Again, if you don't want this block here, clock block, you can go to this section, actions menu, and you can click delete. So that block will be deleted. Again, you will have to give permission, confirm. Okay, so far we have seen the blocks on the right. We can also create blocks on the left. Let's see how it happens. Blocks on the left. So we are dealing with blocks on the right. Okay, let's see what happens. Add blocks. Add blocks. Global search. Courses block. You can also add a courses block. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now the courses block is on. Courses block. Yeah. These are the, yeah, this is a long list. All the courses available here is listed here. So this is the way how we add blocks. So we have different blocks, and when you become the manager of a course, you have got these powers. You can manipulate, you can organize blocks, you can create design blocks, arrange blocks, and you can seriously think about the layout of the course page. All these things, you have the right. This is the way how you manage. And show you, we can take the block to the left. Let's see what happens. We have, okay, it didn't come like that. Let us see what happens. You can, yeah. So we have created a block on the left. So this is the block, and we need to pull it down to this section. Okay. Now you can see blocks on the left and blocks on the right. Again, if you want blocks here, you can create blocks anywhere and you can rearrange. Suppose you want to bring the activities block, you can click this icon and slowly drag it to the particular place. This way you can easily rearrange the block locations. And if you don't want to show this block, so you have a facility here. Maybe even users have this feature. You can click dock this, and if you click dock navigation block, the block will be docked onto the left. And this feature is available even for, I think, for people, users and students, not just for managers. So blocks are rearranged.